Good morning everyone, this is Chris Ensor at Richmond Farm. We've got a bit of an early morning shift this morning. There's the sunrise there. They were on this break here for just overnight, though I put them on quite late last night. There's a bit of shuffling around. I've got a couple of other things on today and yesterday, so shuffled a few things around to make it work. Quite interesting. Obviously, you can see what's got the highest energy. Look at this. She's just picking all that clover out. This girl, all the crimson clover, gone. Yeah, none of it there. All the clover's pretty much gone. There's a tiny bit of clover left there, but pretty much all gone. Whereas all the eyes are picked out of it. That would have been nice if they'd grazed that a little bit more, but this is a paddock that we'd done a bit of a semi-stockpile. We'd just skipped that first partial round out. We were looking at giving it another skip out this round just to let these oversown pasture crop species, the lupins and everything, do a bit more work on the soil and on the system. But yeah, dry conditions have meant that we have to come and do this earlier. We've just had to stretch that first round out a bit just to let those earlier paddocks recover a bit more. Anyway, so yeah, kind of always interesting to see how much they knock down where they first come in. There were actually quite a few. There's a fava bean there actually. There were quite a few beans there, but very few are showing. This corner had a lot of crimson and beans, probably just being the corner that you turn on, I guess. But look at that, they really walk straight across and all over everything, foul everything up, go to the other end and come back. But anyway, it's looking good considering how little rain we've had. But I guess that's what comes with just that bit more in the way of ground cover. It sort of just stops it drying out as quickly. The paddocks that we've inevitably grazed a bit harder they're coming back, but they're just a bit slower. Anyway, on that note, the sun is just poking its head above the shelter belt there. Yeah, we'll close it there. Oh, one other interesting thing is I let them into the second half of this wedge late-ish last night, and I really hope that they'd actually camp on the break because it needed a bit of squashing down. There's a lot of goosegrass and other poor quality species in it. I did take the fence out because there's the water source is down that far end, but they all just went and camped along. Well, not all, but the majority went and camped along that hedge. So it's grounds for fencing them off the hedge line, although it is more work. But if you want to shift the fertility away from the shelter, it has to be done. I really hope that because there was enough good fresh feed here that they'd do it, but no. Maybe I should have fenced them in this break here. This has got obviously no shelter except that tiny little bit of gorse hedge there. Anyway, waffling again now. Have a good day everyone. It looks like it's going to be a cracker here.